It's hermeneuticals.
Well, get out.
It's your boy,
Jeffrey.
What up, you guys?
Well,
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jeffrey, aka Mr. Lockdown, aka Mr. Mississippi Boy himself. To my lovely left is
It's Mrs. Lockdown. What up, you guys?
I asked St. James to send me whatever he gonna do. St. James said, "Hey, me and Songbird got one before that." I said, "Really? Send me the link."
What that do? Did you just try to get cocky with us?
No, that ain't cocky. It's
Oh no, it was like this. Oh, we got one before then.
You went like that.
Well, how was it? You say it again so we can
He
understand.
video chatted me.
You say it again so we can understand how you got it.
I said, St. James, I need some more songs. He said, "Yeah, I'm supposed to be dropping a song tomorrow." I said, "When you gonna do another one?" I need to go over to CHOQLIT and do some of his songs. He said, "No, me and CHOQLIT got one already together. We put out 9 months ago." I said, let me go try to find it. He said, "No, I can get the link for you right now."
Okay, well, when you first said it, now that you say it again, we understand. But when you said it the first time, it was like, man, I got you. Don't worry about that. Bam.
Because he got the right to do it. Because God knows, you see what he got here.
Just because you the hidden jewel don't mean nothing.
Stop picking on your brother. That's all you're doing. Like, comment, subscribe. The original link will be down in the video below. Get this woman out of here. She always trying to pick something that ain't there. Coco, come and help her.
Let's go.
hey baby, why don't we talk about our future expectations? Oh, so you on your way? Okay, cool. My future first lady, my floaters. Hey baby, hey.
That man said, "My future first lady, my floater." Come on, bro. I'm going to start using that, my floater. That just sound like,
No.
dang. I just
He
got
said floaters.
float is. That's even better. That's pimping.
No, that's actually the same thing as what Michelle Obama was. First Lady of the United States. It's FLOTUS. I educated him a little bit. Thank you very much.
Pimping. On hyenas.
Huh?
Oh, never mind.
On her anus? Yeah, I got it.
Expectations. Oh, so you on your way? Okay, cool. My future first lady, my floaters. Hey baby, hey, thanks for coming on short notice. Thank you. Baby, I called you here hoping we could sit down, discuss this openly. Don't wanna live a life of never knowing. Uncomfortable surprise.
Uh-oh.
Where we're going. See, a change for the worse, baby, ain't a curse. Now settle down, let me explain it first. Despite any fight that have occurred, I propose to make you Mrs. Songbird. Surprised that my mom didn't condone it. Called the wedding plan, I told them to postpone it.
Yeah, because everybody ain't worthy of the cause. And I'll leave it like that.
You should have listened to your mom. Your mama can pickle.
Oh, I don't know about, well, anyway.
You been picking y'all Jays and Cameron.
Well, of course. I know my boys.
And it
And it takes a woman for them to.
Didn't condone it. Called the wedding plan, I told them to postpone it. Would you feel some neglect and disrespect? Like a Bluetooth device that don't connect.
Ooh.
Aw.
Stay down by my side for the outcome, or become my ex like Malcolm. Girl, I need to know what you.
Yeah, he did. He said,
The Bluetooth disconnect. You become my ex like Malcolm.
Yeah.
Mmm.
He said, you gonna stay, you gonna get on down.
No. Go. My bad.
Or become my ex like Malcolm. Girl, I need to know what you. If I lost my job, baby, would you? If I got sick, would you stay? Would you believe the BS they gonna say? Like when your friends say that I got twins on the way.
Bruh, I don't know what it is, but the women see something else, put that out now, because they want what that woman has.
That's why I pick them.
Then sometimes the mamas don't even pay attention, or some of the wives don't pay attention when that little speculation is in there, and it never happens. But then you still get crucified for it. That's all I'm gonna say.
That green, the grass was that.
They gonna say, like when your friends say that I got twins on the way.
Twins.
Say I'm him from the AM to the PM, from the chat room to the inbox to the DM.
Woo.
No, man.
Hot and pop like a firecracker, or have my back like a chiropractor. What if an accident left me paralyzed? No more chocolate love, I'm sterilized. Through the week, do you try to sneak and see your ex? Do you send a sexy pic when you're tweeting text? If I need you, will you always? And if I call, will you always? Would you announce you're gonna bounce to avoid the labor? Or take more ish off me like toilet paper? Girl, I need
I'm asleep. I'm asleep. I'm asleep. Some of these women really do need to hear this. I am asleep.
I'm liking this joint.
It's either this man has been through this, and he's seen somebody go through this.
gonna bounce to avoid the labor, or take more ish off me like toilet paper. Girl, I need to know would you? If I lost my job, baby, would you? If I got sick, would you stay?
Alright, we're gonna leave that right there. That second verse, man, he had too much information. It's like he was there. Like he been through it.
He was spitting truth. All good songs are made from truth.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it happened to him or whether
He
that
seen
song
something that.
some people didn't just have that gift, babe. No, I'm just saying some people just have a natural gift.
I understand it, but some things that you can tell a person has been through, and he done been through it.
Yeah, I give you that.
That's crazy. Hey, but like we say in Mississippi, one up, one down, got music on lockdown. Peace. I'm out, man.